जाता डिफरंट माइंड सेट ऑफ आसा तेजे बद्दल तुमचे
Goa is having a lot of talent. Colleges can pass out, projects घेतात, माहिती घेतात, startup करतात आणि एकदा प्रॉब्लेम स्टार्टअप म्हणजे कोण टू फाइंड सोल्युशन्स टू प्रॉब्लेम्स. जे प्रॉब्लेम आता टेक्नॉलॉजी वापरून कसे सॉल्व करत आता स्टार्टअप कम्युनिटी कसं बूस्ट करत कसं हेल्प करत या विचार करून पुढे होतं. When we start looking at the startups which have been there through our policy, 543 startups are totally there, certified by the center and certified by the state operating out of Goa, in addition to the new startups which have come here. And Goa ecosystem driver supports our idea of being the creative capital of the country by 2027, which is what we have kept. क्रिएटिव्ह कॅपिटल करता असताना इकोसिस्टमान जे आमकां गरज आसा जे फॅसिलिटेट करचे पडटा थ्रू पॉलिसीज थ्रू बाकीचे ते आमी सरकार कंटिन्युअस करत आसा. ताज्या बरोबर आमचे चेअरमॅन डॉक्टर शेट्टी बरोबर काम करून वी एबल टू सी द स्मायल ऑफ द स्टुडंट आनी ताज्या खातीर गोवा आज इनोवेशन आमी जो हें केला तातूंतल्यान एक कॉम्पिटिशन आमी ना दे वील बी एबल टू फायंड सोल्युशन्स टू द प्रॉब्लम्स which will maybe also help Goa, but at the same time will give them a booster to start something which can be a model for them. As we look at them being job givers rather than job seekers. ये next 2 वर्षा सरकार तरीके economic sessions because IT is all about end of the day about understanding what the system is and continuously evolves. आणि या industry 4.0 जेन्ना आमी वर AI घाललो आसा आणि we are talking about AR, VR, we are talking about related to creativity. And we are in that space, so it is very important to push this ecosystem. आयच्या ह्या जाल्लें आसा म्हाका इट्स अ गुड स्टार्ट फॉर द innovation event to start with the competition. And I'm sure coming out of this panel discussion with people who have done something with the industry in their own way, whether it's a VC, whether it's a startup himself or the other guys, these discussions also will give a lot of boosting to the people who come to attend. Students, academics, the startup community, will give new ideas and new thoughts to us. I convey my best wishes to all of them. At the same time, जसे डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत घेऊन आम्ही गोयच्या IT फुडें व्हरता आसतना विकसीत गोंय करपाचें आसा. Along with the idea of Prime Minister's विकसीत भारत, IT is going to be quite a contributor to this economy in days to come. आणि ताच्या खातीर दोगूय जाण आमी प्रयत्न करतात की जाता तितलें काम बरोबर उरून लोकांक भुरग्यांक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिवन गोंयचे भुरगे गोंयांत उरप आनी भायर वचप ना आनी ताच्या खातीर टॅलंट बिल्डींग ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी इज वॉट द होल फोकस इज.
टुरिझम सेक्टराक टुरिझम सेक्टराक
It's basically today everything is around technology. तू फाल्यां एग्रिगेटर घे कितें घे ॲप घे टेक्नॉलॉजी आसा. सो जो प्रॉब्लेम फाल्यां आसा आनी ताणें समज सोल्युशन काडलो जाल्यार इज एबल टू क्रिएट इट इंटू आयडिया विच कॅन सॉल्व मेजर प्रॉब्लम. सो इट इज नॉट ओनली टुरिझमांतल्यान ड्रायव्हर द टेक टुरिझम डिजिटल नॉलेज जी आमी उलयता पूण फॉर द स्टार्टअप whether it's environment, whether it's climate change, whether it is e-commerce, whether it is tourism related, whether it is any department or any related, people have if they know the problem, they can find the solution, which can be tech oriented, which can be coming out and give them a support to run their models.
Thank you, sir.